So, the Chinese manufacturing giant, Huawei, is getting set to announce the Huawei P50 series. Over the past few months, there have been several reports regarding this flagship. However, we are certain that the company will still have some surprises for us on the launch date. And if this new leak is anything to go by, it looks like the company will continue its march forward, but this time with a much stronger pace. But before further ado, if you do end up liking what you see here, please consider subscribing and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Now let's get back to the video. So, according to popular Weibo leakster, digital chat station, Huawei is developing a 90 watts fast charging head that is suitable for smartphones. This latest revelation sparks speculations that this charger may arrive with the Huawei P50 series. At present, the highest fast charging specification for any Huawei smartphone is 66 watts. The Huawei Mate 40 Pro and a few other models support up to 66 watts of fast charging. As of now, there is no information on the charging capacity of the Huawei P50 series. So far, there are reports that this flagship will be official on July 29th. The company has been postponing the launch of this device due to a lack of relevant components. Huawei will optimize some of the unique features to improve the comprehensive strength of the camera. So, according to the latest reports, Huawei may announce only 2 of 3 models in the Huawei P50 series. The embattled Chinese phone manufacturer is finding it difficult to launch new products, no thanks to the US ban. According to the Weibo user, Huawei may launch the P50 and P50 Pro models first before launching the P50 Pro Plus. He also mentions that the 4G variants of the smartphone may be announced first before the 5G versions. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Huawei P50 series? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.